loves, it's Kat here and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be having a product review. So before we move on, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you won't miss out any of my videos. Also, come and follow me on Instagram so you can see some content that I won't be posting here on YouTube. So I recently bought something that really caught my attention. So this is the POLLY lashes. This is the first adhesive lashes in the Philippines. So as you can tell, meron silang pa-freebie. Ay, hindi ko naman alam na meron silang pa-freebie nung during launch nila. Actually, they launched like 2 weeks ago if I'm not mistaken. So, cute ang packaging nila. Meron silang pa-sticker nakalagay. Thank you for buying. God bless you and stay safe. www.pollylashes.co. Yun yung website nila, guys. So, ayan. I'm very excited. Tamang-tama yung hairstyle ko dito. Okay, so ito yung pearl headband, guys. Actually, this is the first time that someone gifted me this. Sobrang gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng ganito. Kaso kasi wala akong makita like magandang design talaga. Laging sold out. So, ayan siya. Thank you, Polly Lashes, for this freebie. Sobrang cute. Ang cute. Wait, medyo maluwag siya. Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh my god, I'm very excited. Yan siya. So, this is the product packaging look like. Sobrang cute, especially yung logo nila. Cute talaga ako dito sa mata. Although, nakikita man na natin siya. Pero, ang cute kasi, diba? So, this is the LushBond Adhesive Liner and Lash Kit. Zero glue, zero magnets, all day hold. So, actually, guys, nakikita ko na kasi dati yung mga usa. Like, first atang lumabas is the magnetic lashes. I tried that, but it sucks. Like, literally sucks. Kahit, dalawang brand ata meron ako nun, kaso it was useless as in, okay siya dun sa nakita kong kakilala ko, but then nung tinry ko sa sarili ko, parang, ang tsaka niya, I swear. So, yung second na nakita ko na uso before is the eyeliner magnet, tapos partnered with the magnetic lashes. And, hindi ko siya tinry kasi wala ata dito nagbebenta. And then, parang nakikita ko sa ibang ito or whatsoever. Basta, hindi ko na siya in-attempt. But this one, first time ko talaga nakakita ng ganito. And I'm very intrigued kasi adhesive liner. Like, what? Diba? So, parang ma-intriga ka talaga. Sobrang bongga nito, guys, kasi made in the Philippines na siya and cruelty-free. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So we have here the adhesive eyeliner, the tweezer applicator, and then the 3 lashes. So first here is the small one, which is called First Impression, the medium size called Girl Talk, and the large size called Heartbreaker. So nakakatuwa kasi hindi sila pare-parehas. Alam mo yun, you have the options, and I badly need new lashes, and luckily nung nakita ko talaga tong ad na to sa ads na to sa Facebook rather, yan nakita ko they have different style, which is very cool, diba? So this kit originally cost 1,499 pesos, but you can get them right now for 899 pesos. Sale pa rin sila, but I'm not sure kung hanggang kailan pa. And guys, COD lang meron sila, and it's free shipping, guys, kaya grab na kayo. So before I'm going to apply to my eyes, I'm going to test first sa back of my hand ko kung talagang kakapit siya. So tingnan natin. I-shake ko lang muna bago ko i-apply sa likod ng kamay ko. And then, I think, mag-start muna tayo sa small. By the way, guys, normal na lashes lang to. It doesn't have any magnet or whatsoever. So, kinuha ko na yung small part. So, ano yun? Okay. Baka kasi ganun pagbago lang. Parang dumoble kasi yung lock. Okay, so it literally smells like craft marker. Okay, so I'm going to line with the back of my hand. Ayan. I'm not sure kung gaano bang kakapal, pero try natin na kapalan ng konti. Ayan. Siguro okay na yan. And then, patuyuin lang natin ng konti. Wait, I'll make sure if tama ba yung ginagawa. Oh, shoot! Okay, sabi kasi you have to immediately apply the falsies. So, wow! Medyo fail po yung first swatch ko kasi pinatuyo, hindi mo pala talaga siya papatuyuin. So, susundin ko lang yung instructions. So, first is prep. For this, I'm going to use an eye primer para maganda yung base natin. Then, I'm going to set it using a loose powder. And now, I'm going to apply the adhesive liner. So, lalagay ko na agad yung lashes. Ito is medium size. So, makikita nyo, nung pinupull off ko yung lashes, hindi siya natatanggal. Pero, syempre, kapag i-full force nyo yung pressure, matatanggal talaga siya. Then, tetest ko if waterproof siya sa skin. Ayan siya. So, yan. Makikita nyo, waterproof siya. kinukusot ko na di pa rin siya natatanggal. So, which is good. Zoom in ko lang kayo ng konti para makita niyo yung sa mata. So, first step is to prep your eyelids. Kahit anong eyeliner yan, guys, regular or adhesive liner, make sure mattified yung eyelids niyo or walang oil na natitira. Kasi kapag naglagay kayo ng eyeliner, tendency is kakalat siya. Nabasa ko to sa Instagram story nila a while ago. It says, LushBond liners are oil-based formula. Lashes might not stick well if eyes are not properly set as it may interfere to oily lids. So, like I said earlier. Next, I'm going to take a pressed powder to set the eye primer. You can use loose powder if you want. Wow! Okay guys, it looks good! Grabe. Di mo kasi talaga ma-appreciate kapag maliit lang yung mirror na hawak mo. Pero kapag may mirror kang like full face or kita yung mukha mo, like, wow! Sobrang ganda guys. I'm please! Oh my god. First impression dun sa adhesive liner, medyo basa yung feeling niya, pero it doesn't feel irritating at all. Kasi di ba may mga hack ngayon na lumalabas all over TikTok na para daw kumapit pa daw yung lashes mo dun sa lash glue, is that mag-a-apply ka ng lash glue sa lash, which I haven't done before. Medyo kinakaban kasi ako, medyo nga sensitive yung eyes ko. But, it doesn't feel irritating at all. Parang normal na eyeliner siya. And ayoko kasi mag-winged liner kasi gusto kong makita talaga yung mismong lashes. Like, eto, yung wispy ng lashes on this side. Diba? Ang ganda ng large, ng heartbreaker. I'm going to do the right side. Okay, so since napatunayan na itong adhesive liner sa akin na nag-work siya, I'm going to do some wind test. So since wala akong mapuntang lugar kung saan may mahangin, and since pandemic hindi ako pwede lumabas, so I found a tool that will help me. So let's try. Whoa! It didn't move a bit! Oh my god! Okay? So, I'm pulling it off like I usually do kapag tatanggalin ko. Ah! Ay na siya, natanggal na siya totally kasi I put too much pressure. So, ayan yung itsura niya, guys. So, basically, ito yung mga nawala ng liner. Dun siya kumapit yung lashes niya. Take note, guys, hindi pala ako nag-mascara. Kinurl ko lang siya ng konti and then put on the lashes. So, let's try to wrap it. Wrap it. Oh, okay. No, wala. It's good. Wow, okay. Na-impress talaga ako. So, kusot test, pasado. Yeah, pasado. See? So, next, we're going to test if it's waterproof. So, I have here my facial spray. Whoa! That was too powerful. Wait lang. So, pumasok yung mist sa ilong ko. Kita-kita ko meron mga puti sa ilong ko. So, try ko ulit. But this time, tatakpan ko na yung lower part ng face ko. Wow. Okay. So, medyo malapit na yung ginawa ko para talagang soak siya. Makita nyo talagang basa yung mata ko. Overall, nagustuhan ko tong LushBond kit ng POLLY Lashes. As you can tell, a while ago, nag-wind test na tayo, kusot test, pull-off test, and waterproof test. Lahat pasado siya. So, price points, if ever tapos na yung sale nila, like, binili mo siya for 1,499 pesos. For me, guys, sulit na siya. Kasi, may nakikita akong mga nagbebenta dito sa Philippines. I'm not sure kung kanilang brand yon, pero nakita ko lang meron sila is eyeliner or adhesive eyeliner, tapos isang pair lang ng lashes. For me, like 1,600 ata benta. So yun, medyo mahal diba guys? Compared naman dito sa Polly Lashes, you'll get a tweezer applicator, adhesive eyeliner, and 3 different sizes and styles of eyelashes. And guys, sobrang ganda, especially this one, the Lash, the Heartbreaker one. Ang ganda guys, like perfect siya for events and such. Also, na-impress ako sa quality ng lashes nila. Sobrang ganda and natural looking siyang tignan. Eh, paano ba kaya kung natural yung small na size yung gagawin ko, diba? Like, di mo halatang naka-lashes ka. So, this is pretty good. So, maganda din dito guys, it cuts out the steps dun sa pag-apply ng lash glue, diba? Normally, maglalagay tayo ng right amount of lash glue dun sa lashes natin. Second is yung drying time. And third is pagtanggal ng lash glue residue dun sa eyelashes nyo, diba? Para magamit nyo ulit. So, maganda tong klaseng product sa mga beginners na hirap maglagay ng lashes, especially sa clients nila. I, for one, do find it hard. Like, yung parang, oh my God, dikit na ba? Hindi man ako gumagamit ng tweezer ng applicator kasi parang for me, hassle kasi. And also sa mga allergic dyan sa mga lash glue, diba? Maganda tong product na to. Also, hindi kasi siya messy gamit. So, imagine yourself, like, for example, nasa isang occasion ka or event, tapos biglang natanggal yung lashes mo. At least, hindi mo na kailangan ilagay or gumamit ng lash glue on that event. Kasi babaunin mo na lang yung eyeliner, like for example, it falls off. Hindi siya mukhang, like, kusot or hindi siya sloppy tignan. Like, i-re-apply mo na lang ulit siya and lagay mo lang yung false lashes mo and you're done. Yun, wala akong makita kasing negative about this product. Pero, kung gagamitin ko to, siguro kapag may event or occasion na kung pupuntahan, ganun na lang. Pero, pag gagawa ko ng creative makeup look or mag-film ako, depende. Kasi na parang gusto ko siyang tipirin. Kasi alam mo yung parang ito yung magiging my precious product mo. Yung mga tipong ganun, yung parang iniingat-ingatan mo. And this is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed watching it, don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click the notification bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys on my next one.